Is there a keyboard shortcut to close a command prompt window? Is there any keyboard shortcut to close the command prompt window in Windows 7? Alt plus F4 does not seem to work on a command prompt window. I close it right now by typing exit and enter at the prompt, hoping there is a shorter trick.
Alt plus space, C. Create an alias using doski, doski x equals exit.
Here's an auto hotkey script that'll do it. It just sends Alt plus space, C to the window when Control plus W is hit, if it's a command prompt.
Wrap CMD in Console 2, which would give you Control plus W to close tabs and Alt plus F4 to exit. You will also be able to use Control plus V to paste, if you wish, which is one of the main reasons I use it.
It depends from your choice of command interpreter. This is, of course, because it is your command interpreter that is, largely, determining how TUI command line editing works. If you're using JP Software's TCC/LA, for example, an auto-executing keystroke alias that does exactly this, and that doesn't suffer from the global hotkey problems mentioned in other answers, is simplicity itself to set up using the alias command. With Bash one could do the same thing, using the bind built-in command, to bind the key sequence for the Alt F4 key to the string exit \n. The tricky part is working out what key sequence Alt F4 generates, from the point of view of Bash, at least, this week. If you are running your command interpreter with intake command, closing the current command tab is done with Control plus F4.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.